Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove any friend uh, of your account from your friendship settings. Easy and quick. First, click choose anyone you want first and hold on it like this, and now click manage friendship, and here you will find remove friend. Click on it and now click remove, and this will be removed. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.